So all this time, I didn't know about where is my children, who will take care of them, how about their health. I don't know. I am in blacklist. They take my cell phone, my passport, Chinese passport, my ID. Then I go to directly same day the Urumqi Children's Hospital. My daughter and their mothers, they have a surgery from their neck and they have oxygen mask their mouth and they are only little open their eyes and all the time crying. This is Muhammad, your son inside. He take oxygen. He need to tomorrow to get surgery, but you cannot enter now. Second day, the morning, the doctor say want me sign paper, and I say what is this paper? They say sorry, your Muhammad son morning he passed away, so you need to sign paper, and we give you his dead body. Then that time I shock. I asked doctor what happened. Why is this? Yesterday you told me he is healthy, and why he is passed away? I don't believe. Give me my son. Then they take my kids, give me his ice body. They put in him to freezer. Then I scream like, give me something warm, a blanket. I want to give warm my kids. Why you put him to freezer? And then I let him to wake up. I try to let him to wake up. I kiss him, but all his body ice.
You've obviously seen with the tribunal that what's been going on is labeled as a genocide. Many countries have labeled it as a genocide. What do you say to organizations like the Organization for Islamic Cooperation, who fail to call out on China's atrocities, and other quote-unquote Muslim countries who are not supportive of the Uyghur plight? Do you have a message for these organizations and countries?
Yeah, I want to tell all Muslim country, if you are, touch your deep heart, if you are really good Muslim, behind there is Muslim people, behind there is Muslim Uyghur, and then become our voice, let Chinese stop genocide. And then please wake up, let them to wake up, don't become, your life is second Uyghur life. If they are do same like this, believe Chinese government and stay with Chinese government together, they are after the future, their situation is become second Uyghur situation.